Mamelodi Sundowns stole the spotlight at the 2024-2025 Premier Soccer League PSL Awards on Tuesday night, walking away with an impressive haul of 6 accolades, solidifying their status as South Africa's football powerhouse. The evening was particularly memorable for head coach Miguel Cardoso and forward Lucas Ribeiro, both of whom were honored for their outstanding contributions to a historic season. The prestigious Chairman's Award opened the night's proceedings and for the second consecutive year went to Sundowns. The accolade recognized the Pretoria-based club's role in not only representing the Yellow Nation, but also flying the South African flag high on international platforms. The award served as tribute to Sundowns' sustained excellence and continental presence. In just 8 months at the helm, Miguel Cardoso has already etched his name into PSL history, having clinched 3 Betway Premiership Coach of the Month awards throughout the season. Portuguese tactician was deservedly crowned Coach of the Season, capping off a transformative campaign for the club. However, it was Brazilian striker Lucas Ribeiro who truly dazzled under the spotlight, nominated 3 major categories: Goal of the Season, Players Player of the Season, and Footballer of the Season. Ribeiro completed a clean sweep, showcasing his dominance in South African football. The 26-year-old forward further cemented his legacy by claiming the top goal scorer of the season award, having found the net 16 times in the domestic league. His flair, consistency, and lethal finishing were crucial in driving Sundowns' success across competitions. The Mamelodi Sundowns management, players, and fans have extended heartfelt congratulations to Coach Ribeiro and the broader team for their stellar performances. As the curtain falls on a triumphant season, the club sets its sights on even greater heights, both at home and on the continent. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.